I guarantee this will help you simplify everything as a beginner trader. I'll show you the one thing that will give you clarity and help you to repeat the process with ease every single day. First, open TradingView and choose the 1 hour time frame. Next, take a range box and highlight the most recent high and low. Now, if price action is creating lower lows on the 1 hour time frame, all I want you to do is to take sells. If price action is creating higher highs on the 1 hour time frame, all I want you to do is take buys. For every new high or low is formed, simply draw a new range box to highlight the current trading range. And you'll know when you've had a trend change when you see a second break on the 1 hour time frame, then your bias has changed with ease. You see, the 1 hour time frame is quick enough to see results, but slow enough that it can fit in with your work and lifestyle. If you'd like to learn more about trading professionally, however with a simple edge, save this post and follow me for daily trading content.
18 months ago, I couldn't pass a single prop firm challenge. Now, I'm a funded trader. Here's how. Step 1. I got the Pips Gravity Mastermind trading plan. Link in bio. Step 2. I mastered market structure so I knew exactly when to buy and sell. Step 3. I learned liquidity traps and fair value gaps so I could trade with the banks, not against them. Step 4. I used their entry and trade management system to protect profits and grow my account. If you're tired of starting over, stop trading blind. Pips Gravity is your shortcut to funded trader status.